All right, guys. Hey, good afternoon. Hey, I just got back from a ride. Just did like maybe 20 miles or so. As I was riding, I heard this popping sound. I think I got sticks or a branch got caught up in my spokes. I was wondering why my wheel was wobbling so much. So luckily, I had the last 2 miles riding back. So I got 3 spokes. One up here. It's an inner one down here, and one on the bottom, and they're all on the inside of the hub. So yeah, most definitely I think I got a stick that got popped up in there and popped those off. So now all my spokes are loose, so it was really wobbly. So got a little bit of space right there, so I don't know if I have to get this whole thing replaced right here. There's a little divot right there, so I don't know, but I think it'll be fine. I got an appointment with Angel Tech on the 25th to go ahead and get this changed out and get my roll-off service, because I'm at over 500 miles. So it looks like I'm going to be down for a little bit until the 25th, so I'll be on the HP.